Hey you guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a little bit of a setup revamp. So as you guys can see right here, this is my lamp. So I actually put in an RGB light bulb with it has a remote that changes the colors, which is really nice. So I'm going to show you guys my desk. So first of all, at the bottom you guys can see the cables are really all messy at the bottom there. Here's my Blue Yeti, my Google Home Mini, my Logitech G Pro headset, my G502 mouse, Amazon mousepad, and Havok keyboard. Here is my MSI monitors, so I use two of them. The one on the left is broken at the bottom, but it does still work, so I'm using it as a secondary monitor. So the first one is perfectly fine, just 32 inches. The other one's supposed to be 27 inches on the left. So yeah, my Razer mouse bungees right there. This is my leather chair. It's just a regular chair that I got. So yeah, the reason why, this is also my Ethernet cable. So yeah, the reason why I'm getting a desk is because I do not have enough space to put everything on my desk. So as you can see right now, I actually leave my PC on a nightstand because I do not have any other space on my desk to put it because my PC is pretty big. So I'm going to be getting a proper IKEA desk so that I can put everything together and it'll look so much more clean. I can manage the cables. It's gonna look really awesome. That's why I'm going with IKEA. So I'm actually gonna be going to IKEA for my first time. So yeah, let's see what I can get a hold of. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like before everything is taken out. So yeah, I'm gonna just fast forward it a little bit, put some clips and whatnot so you guys can see. But yeah, basically I'm just taking everything out and clearing out a little bit of space so that I can put in the new desk. So finally, as you guys can see, I'm just passing over the vacuum so that I can clean up any mess that is there and get it all ready for my new desk. So right here I'm in the checkout line of IKEA. I'm going to purchase my desk. So here we have me assembling my IKEA drawer. As you guys can see, it took a few hours, but eventually I got it. So as you guys can see, this is what the desk looks like so far. And honestly, I think it's actually really beautiful, and I'm actually really glad I got it. I got really lucky because the tabletop I thought wasn't there, but I did end up finding this exact size that I needed, which is perfect. The problem was I was gonna go with like the white drawer color and white IKEA legs, but sadly they were actually sold out because I don't know, it's crazy. IKEA had so many people there, it's actually insane. But I ended up going with the black colored ones. Those are also really good, nice too, which I'm also glad that they had in stock at the IKEA store that I went to. So yeah, this is what my setup looks like. I waited a little while to open the mouse pad. I didn't want to use it just yet because for my other desk it was literally too small, so I decided, hey, might as well just wait till I get my new desk and then use it together. So yep, that's me putting together my mouse and keyboard, connecting it all. So you guys can see the wires are all over the place. But after some time taking some time out of my day to manage the cables and whatnot and put everything as good and as neatly as I can or could have, it turned out to be alright. So I'm actually kind of happy that I purchased the IKEA. I bought a little rack for it and I put it at the bottom. It's kind of hard to see right now, but I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. It is really helpful, and I'm glad I bought it because it makes the cables look so much more neat. It's all tucked away, it's all clean, and I can't wait to show you guys. Alrighty guys, thank you guys all for watching, hope you guys enjoyed. So I know this ain't exactly the best type of setup there is out there, but this is something that I've really worked on really hard to, to try and save up for, and eventually after a really long time I was finally able to put together the money to afford all this. So I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.